Happy Funko Friday. I am super excited about this Funko Friday haul because it's mostly clearance items. So I don't know what went up first, if this is going up first or if my beach vacation haul is going up first. But in the beach vacation haul, I had stopped at Barnes & Noble. Yes, I go to Barnes & Noble even when traveling. And I was ecstatic to finally find, not that I was looking for them, the ad icon mystery boxes. Now guys, I have been looking at Target, all these places for months and months, and they're always sold out. Never even thought about looking at Barnes & Noble, and I just happened to be there, and bam, there they were. So I bought two, and what was awesome about them is I actually got a discount because I get my member discount. So which ones am I hoping for? Yeah, almost all of them, which that's not going to happen because I just bought two boxes. But the Owl Tootsie Roll and Big Boy, oh, would love to have. Kool-Aid I would like to have to go with my regular size Funko. Twinkie would like to have to go with that one. Although the this one I don't. This one would be really cool focus right there. And then this one I would really like. So, oh, a bazooka. But anyway, my two that I would really want there and there. So these two are the major ones I want. And of course, since they're mystery boxes, I'm opening them at the end of the vlog. So here's what happened. So on this beach trip, first one we bought, okay, we had to run to Target to get groceries on the second half of our trip because we were staying somewhere with a full kitchen. Now guys, you want to see that beach trip because this is Destin. Part of this was at Destin, but either way, it's the Panhandle of Florida. The water is unbelievably clear. Like, I'm spoiled now and don't want to go to any other beach except where I can see the bottom, where I can see the fish nibbling at my feet. But anyway, so we went to Target and I'm like, let's go back there and look at the Pops. Not that I was gonna, we were on vacation, not that I was looking to buy any. But when you find Pops for $2.69, I think this is what this says, maybe 89 cents, you buy them. So are you ready? Let's go. Any Brady Bunch fans out there? Oh yes, I grew up watching the Brady Bunch after school, so I got Greg Brady. Now I'm only showing, like, I don't want the glare to show, so I'm actually going to carefully take him out of the box because I have learned that even though I'm an in-the-box collector, I'm learning to actually take them out just to check them out, because sometimes there's little hidden things like in the back or the side or the tops of the Pops that you normally would not see if you kept them in the box. Kind of like with my Kool-Aid man. You would never know the ice cubes were up there if you didn't take them out of the box. So I actually display my Kool-Aid man outside of the box because of those ice cubes. I know I don't do it often, but even the ones I display outside of the box, I always keep the boxes. So the other one also is a Brady Bunch. These were the only two they had. This is Bobby. Now, of course, I would have got all of them if they would have had them all, because again, under $3 for a Pop. And it's not like these are that old. I mean, it's not like they came out 5 years ago or something, because they didn't. I'm really surprised. So Bobby with the football. So I just like, these aren't ones that I was looking to buy at any time because I'm having to be a little more selective on my Pops because I'm running out of room. But at $2.69, and it does bring back, I do love the Brady Bunch. It brings back memories. Oh yeah, I was getting it. Okay, so the other thing, I had stopped at Barnes & Noble, like I said, and there was a Pop that had been on my wish list for quite a while, to tell you the truth. And again, I was shocked to see this Pop for only, well, I got ready to say $5. How much was it? I can't remember. It was half price. So about $7 probably. No, $5. I was right, $5. So this pop was 50% off. It is a Harry Potter pop. Oh, I had been wanting him for so long, but it's the one with his arm in a sling. $5 I got this pop for. Oh my God, I mean, clearance pops. I'm just like in shock. So again, and to prove it, you saw the 50% off, and I'm pretty sure you saw the clearance here, the Target clearance price. There we go. So you know it was clearance. My son also found a clearance pop at Target. Now he displays most of his inside the box. He does take a few out. Unfortunately, I don't know where he put the box to this, and he isn't here. So, oh, he actually, is he sitting? That is so cool. So I think this is Game of Thrones. I can't remember how much he paid for it. I don't think it was any more than like $7. It might have been $5. And he was so shocked when he took it out of the box that it's actually 2 separate pieces. Now I want you to check out the detail on this, of this chair. All these swords. I mean, that is really cool. So he's like, I'm displaying this outside of the box. And again, I don't know who this is because I don't have the box. He kept the box. Well, I said that. I just don't know where it is. So I don't know who this is. I don't know anything about the whole Game of Thrones thing. But look at that. So that he can actually sit. That is pretty cool. And I don't know if, there we go. Look at that. I'm holding it up and he's sitting straight. So this is a really, really cool looking pop. Even though I knew nothing about it, this chair in itself, I'm just like, you know. Now, we get home and we'd only been home a few days. I needed to go to Bath and Body Works because they were having a sale on their candles. Now that vlog is coming up. That whole vlog is coming up soon. Also, so that I can unpack my bag, I'm going to show you guys everything that I had gotten at Bath and Body Works. But anyway, so there's a GameStop right outside the mall, and since we had to walk past it anyway, where we parked, I'm like, Lakeland, let's go in. I mean, we rarely go in there. I was not expecting to find this pop on clearance, but it is the Peppermint Lane. Oh my gosh, the Peppermint Lane. Isn't that adorable? 2-piece pop. I don't know what, I think these originally sold for like $30. I really wanted them all. And I had seen them in different places go on sale. But at that point, I was on my pop buying freeze. Now, as you can see, this is GameStop only. This particular one in the series. And I've never seen a light up pop before, and this is what's interesting. And so Funko knows that there are in the box collectors out there. Look what they did. They actually, because this is where the batteries go, it doesn't come with batteries, you have to put the batteries in. They actually have this cutout section so you can turn the piece on and off without taking it out of the box. Isn't that awesome? You go, Funko people. Now, let's turn the lights out and see how much this lights up. See, pretty dark. I did take this out of the box because I do want to show you more detail. But as you can see, the light is on and there's the lights off. So the windows light up. I am so ecstatic, guys. You just have no idea. So let's turn it back off. There we go. And kind of show you up close here what all the details. This is Frosty Franklin with the post office. So this is the post office. And I actually saw where they're coming out with more Christmas Town pops this year. And here is Frosty Franklin. I had to look over and make sure I got his name right. He's so darn cute. Now, I will definitely be displaying these outside of the box during the holidays. So I do take, and I do that. I take my seasonal pops, Halloween, special occasions. I will temporarily display them outside of the box. Okay, so those were my wonderful clearance pops. You ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, I have been... I'm probably going to kick myself for not buying more, but I was so scared of getting duplicates because you just never know with mystery boxes when they're in the same shipment. Sometimes they'll do duplicates, and I was just so scared. So, this one's flat. Flat? Like, oh my, are they all like that? Like, the back is flat. Would one of them be flat? I am so confused. Are they like not like regular, like, I don't know. I'm so confused. Oh, hello, Dana. Flat? Of course. Of course he would be flat. I can't believe I didn't think of that right away. Okay, so this was one of my backup ones that I am totally happy with having. They're a tad bit smaller than I thought they would be. But regular price I think is only $6.99. Yeah, regular price is $6.99. So of course, well, that one opened a lot easier. Of course I got it for a little less than that. All right, big boy or owl, Tootsie Owl. I'm trying not to rip the box. All right. Let's see. Let's see. This one's not flat. It's just way too hard to tell. It's not Count Dracula. It's not Bazooka Boy. Ah, I like him though. I don't think I ever ate that cereal, and I never let my kids eat that cereal. Matter of fact, I don't even know if this cereal was out when my kids were little, but I never ate this cereal when I was a kid. Kicking myself that I didn't get more, but at least these two match. Look at that. I can display them side by side. They match the colors. Oh, they're cute. I should have got more. Why? I knew why I didn't get more, because we were on vacation and didn't have but so much room. But I'm still going to keep an eye out. But now I got to go to my Barnes & Noble. I didn't even think about it to go check my Barnes & Noble and see if they have them, because these have been out for a while. Okay, that's totally cool. I didn't get duplicates, so that is a wonderful thing in my book. I hope that you subscribe, guys. Lots of hauls. Check out my Universal Studios vlogs. Got a lot of those up recently because we went right at, we'll say 2 weeks. 2 weeks maybe? 2.5, 3 weeks tops. We went after they reopened, and a Disney trip is coming up very soon. So you're going to want to subscribe so you can see that the whole going back to Disney after being closed. Again, hope you're having a wonderful summer, and I will see you at the parks.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place, always been a restless girl, but now there's a window.